I would reinstate the Arts and Culture Commission as a standing commission, not as a committee, not as something that just meets for 6 weeks to discuss one issue. You people out there need to be able to control your own destiny. And we, as the city councilors, which had happened in the past, we listened to the Arts Commission. You people know your industry, and it is an industry. Number one reason people come to Sedona is because it is an arts destination. I have an RV park, and I will tell you that there's two reasons they come. They want a mountain bike, and they want the beauty of the beauty of Sedona, and art. This is an art destination. It has been, and it's not going away. We're talking up here like we didn't know this. This is an art community, and it's a wonderful community because guess what? They're funky. You guys are funky. I love it. Okay? But I could have answered all 5 of these questions with the same thing. We need to reinstate our Arts and Culture Commission. It was stated that they didn't have enough staff time and this and that. We've been in a recession since the end of 2007. Now, I don't know what staff's doing, to be real honest with you, but they need to be doing something. And the other thing is we had a dedicated person for the Arts and Culture Commission. And now I hear we sort of don't have anybody. But we did have a dedicated person. And we need a dedicated person. So that's how I would stay abreast from the artist community through the commission, with artists on gallery owners and artists on the commission, not somebody that so-and-so knows and wants to put on the commission. I want people from the community that are dealing with the Arts and Culture Commission. Thank you.
As I told you in my opening remarks, I have very little experience in the arts. Understanding how important the arts is to Sedona, from the very beginning of my campaign, I began reaching out to some very respected people in the community to learn about the issues that you hold near and dear to your heart related to the arts. So how will I stay abreast when I'm on council? I will continue to do what I've already been doing, speaking with people who are more knowledgeable of the arts than I am. I would encourage meetings or coffees for outreach. I would also encourage the use of the city's interactive website, and I will personally attend art-related meetings to be sure the artists are receiving the attention that they deserve. I encourage you to visit my website, JiabloForCityCouncil.com. And again, my name is Scott Giablo, and very important, let's not forget, I hope that you all vote for me for City Council, and please support and vote for Home Rule Prop 429. Thank you.
My position is that I will be open to hear from anyone about their concerns, and I'll be visiting various areas of the city to hear about things that are happening here. By the way, my first answer, of course, was the second question instead of the first question. Somehow there was communication back wrong in there. Thus, I will go to the Arts Center during my term, and I will bring anything I hear about to the council and to the city. And maybe even if somebody wants to, if they want me to do some lights for them, I'll learn about what's going on in the arts because of doing lights. If big concerns about items are brought up, and I have not heard about it, I will investigate myself, or make sure I investigate with people in the know about it, to determine what the situation is and what the city's response should be about it. Good idea with the commission, Jerry, so it's a nice one to think about that also. No one should say I'm not willing to listen. I cannot speak for any other council person, but I will always be willing to listen and discuss. Just because an item may not affect me directly does not mean I'll ignore it. I won't necessarily vote against it, but just the opposite. I've always been one willing to vote the opposite way of my original thoughts, so present me with your reasonings. I will listen, consider your concerns, and certainly will consider supporting whatever it is that you feel needs to be addressed. So get me on the council, and I will listen to you anytime, anywhere. My business card is out there for my phone number and email address. Contact me. I will listen. I will be there, be around town anytime, anywhere. to help you out, make sure that the arts is addressed in the coming 4 years. Thank you.
Well, I think that arts should be considered in everything we do. Visual art, architecture, different amenities, landscaping. We should have live art, music on the streets in West Sedona, uptown, and elsewhere. Nighttime venues that don't conflict with neighborhoods. We should also promote more of local live art, bundle performances with dinner, dancing, discussion, and coffee. But of course, the list just keeps going on and on and on and on. I view the council as a civic service. I'm working for you, and I'm here to listen. I'm not here to impose my will. So I am here to ask questions and to listen to the answers so we can make an informed decision that is right for Sedona. Please vote for Rio. Thank you.